Hello everyone. Tomorrow we talked about the introduction of book called Mindset, which is written by a writer Carol S. Dweck. So today we are going to talk about chapter 1's second topic. Why people are different. Why different people have different qualities in them. So the answer is because the people grew up in different environment, different family condition, different financial condition, and in different people surround them, which also have impact on their life. And also people also, everyone have different qualities. People to people have different mindset. So do you know who is invented the IQ test? The answer is simple: Alfred Binet. But do you think why he made IQ test? To identify IQ of the person, which tells about how intelligent persons are. And what do you think? Tell me. So the answer is Alfred Binet, who lives in Paris. So he observed that certain students in a government school of Paris, when they are studying in that school, they they do not doing well in their studies. So for this purpose, Alfred wants to identify what we can change, or what curriculum we can introduce so they can come back on track. For this purpose, he invented the IQ test. IQ test does not mean that your mind cannot be changed. And also, Binet believes that with the help of right guidance, knowledge, and the system, anyone can change his mind, improve its IQ, and his ability to learn new things. Some modern philosophers thinks that everyone have definite amount of mind which cannot be changed. No one can increase it and no one can decrease it. But Alfred Binet totally rejected this theory. He believes that with practice, system and the right guidance, we can change anyone's mind, focus and concentration, and even we can increase their mind. Mind means in Hindi we call buddhi. So he believes in on that things. So that's all for today. The conclusion of this video is mind can be changed with right guidance, practice, knowledge, and most importantly with right system. Thank you.